Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out.
Hi to my people! I know it's been a while. So, since magba-birthday na ako, and of course, as a daily, hindi pala daily, yearly routine ko ay nagkakaroon ako ng mga iba't ibang pakulo tuwing birthday ko. So, right now, dadalhin ko kayo sa naging tradition namin ng family ko. So, every birthday ko kasi nagpapa-photoshoot kami. And right now, it's our third photoshoot together. And on my birthday, so dadaling ko kayo ngayon doon. And ang theme namin is denim naman. So last year, we wore red. And then the first one that we tried, we were black, white, and green. So right now, denim naman yung vibe ko. And dadalhin ko kayo sa self-portrait studio na pupuntahan ko. And mag-mini-vlog tayo. So, tara na. Now, on the way na kami. So, in a few minutes, nandun na kami. By the way, this is located at Kings Point lang dito sa Quezon City. So, let's go. So, hi guys! Nandito na kami. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa loob ng studio. So, ayun na. Marami silang available dito ng mga props nila. Ayan, yung mga props nila, costumes. Ayan, ang cute. So, very friendly yung staff. Maraming pagpipili ang background. Ayan, tapos mga costumes. And then, ito pa yung additional props nila. And then, easy to access, papuntahan. Budget friendly. Ang ganda ng edit. Very, very ipagmamalaki talaga siya. Tapos, ayan, yung mga house rules sila dito. And please be mindful of the equipment, props, and costumes inside the studio, including the backdrop. So, kailangan lang mag-iingat kasi syempre, hindi naman sa atin to. Strictly, no touching of the cameras and lens. Strictly, no touching of the strobe lights, yung mga flashes nila. Strictly, no jumping at the backdrop. Please return the props and costumes back to their proper places. If you need any assistance, please call. Note, any damages will incur additional charges. So, ayan. Pwedeng maraming packages dito. Siguro up to 20, pinakasagad na yun. And then, pwede rin atang rentahan to ng buong, like may photoshoot kayo for business, for gusto nyo lang mag-photoshoot na madami kayo, pwede dito. Ayan, mga business casual. Ayan, mga photoshoot and whatsoever. Pwede sila dito. Ayan, so dito lang sila sa QC, sa Novaliches, sa Kings Point, California Village, if you're familiar. So, nandiyan sila. Second floor, and then, maluwag yung mismong studio nila. Yung waiting area, yung medyo tricky part kasi medyo payat lang yung kanyang space, pero comfy naman siya. So, all in all, I really like the place here and everything. Yung presyo, good lang siya. Tapos, ayan, naglalaro si Peanut ng kanyang ng mga props dito. So, ayun, pati yung mga printouts nila, ang ganda. Yung mismong print, ang ganda ng pagkaka-print. And also, yung pag-edit nila. Very natural lang. Tapos, ayun nga, very comfortable ka talaga dito. Comfortable talaga. Very comfortable ka dito. Kasi nga, welcoming yung staff nila. Tsaka, yung ambience mismo, very cutesy. So, ayan. So, di ko na papakita yung buong pictorial sa inyo. Kasi syempre, makikita niyo si Margot, but
tell you I need you. Are you still the breath in my lungs? My body shakes till the blood in my face.